this is Shirley, and I'm coming to you today with a purchase share that I got from Donna Little. And of course, you know, Donna sells beautiful doilies and flower sets and things of that nature. So I wanted to go ahead and show you what I purchased from Donna last week. So first of all, I got these beautiful crocheted doilies from her, and I believe there's 10 of these. It might be more. Let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 15 of these. And these are the doilies. They're white, and they're just so beautiful. I mean, they are gorgeous. So I wanted to show you guys these. So I got that, 15 of those. And then I love pink, and she had these pink doilies, so I got some of these. And I believe this is 15. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10. Yes, I got 15 of these as well. So those are the pink ones. And look at this. And I believe Donna hand dyes these herself. But these are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so I got those. And then I got also 15, which I believe they're all 15. 15 of these. And these are white as well. They look a little off-white, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love her doilies. And then I also got some of these snippet pieces that she had. Just little pieces in here. So let me show you those. These are little doily pieces. Look at these. Are they not beautiful? Beautiful. These are gorgeous. Love them. Here's a little snippet piece of something else. Look at that. And I'm definitely going to be using these for different projects that I have planned. I've got these little pieces here that look like spider pieces. I've got, and I just love the fact that these are tiny. Look at that. So if you have not ordered from Donna, please go over to Donna's channel, Donna Little. I will have a link to her in the description box below. So please go over there and check her out. She usually does her videos on Saturday morning. So I have to kind of set my alarm to get up in time, because Donna's stuff does not last long. I mean, once she puts it out there, pretty much it's gone. So if you don't get in when she first does her video, you're probably going to not get what you want. Everybody knows and loves Donna. These little pieces are just gorgeous. And you can do so much with them. You can build flowers out of these, which I've ordered several of her flower kits. Here's a little piece of pink. Some more whites, creams. Look at this. Put that on there, and all I need is a little flat back. So like I said, I love these little pieces because they make gorgeous flowers. Gorgeous. So I'm not going to go through all of them, but you get an idea as to what I got in here. And I did want to give Donna her props. The last bag that I got, I needed it immediately, so I didn't get a chance to video it. But I wanted to get this video taped before I started using her pieces, because I get in here and I get to moving and getting these pieces put in projects and things, and then I get the projects right out the door. I'm always late with my projects. I don't know why that is, but I am not good with time anymore. I used to be excellent with time, but now I'm not. So a lot of times when I get these things in, I have to use them immediately. But I wanted to share this because Donna's got such fabulous things. And I mean, look at how much I've got out of this. And I'm still pulling. So I still have this much more of just the little flowers and tidbits and things of that nature. And this is all in white and off-white and like ecru, I guess ecru color. So yes. So, and then with every order, Donna gives you a gift. So this is my gift. Let me get my little staple remover here. I love this thing. I had not, was using my nails, and my nails were breaking off. And so this is my little gift. So let's get in here and see what this is. Beautiful, beautiful. So look, I got this piece here that I can make little snippets out of. Okay, look at that. And then I got this piece here, which is, this is a white. Look at that, and so much. Look at how much. And this is a gift now, remember. And then I got another little piece I could use. Look at that. Is that gorgeous or what? Love it. And then also I got a little pink piece here that I can snip up. And a couple more of these pieces here. And this nice little half a doily here. So yeah, just some little snippet pieces. I love it. So thank you, Donna, for getting this to me. And thank you to my subbies for watching it. Please comment below and definitely go over and see Donna's video on Saturday morning, so you can order your own lace, your own doily kits. And sometimes she has lace kits, and sometimes she has journals. She's starting to do journals now. She has journal kits that she sells. And then she also has those gorgeous rhinestone and pieces that she gets. So there's a lot on Donna's channel, not just the doilies. So please go check her out. And until my next video, this is Shirley. Crafty Smooches. Bye.